In this video, we are going to begin with Module 2, that is Fundamentals of Computerized Accounting. In this module, we are going to see what is accounting software. In that case, we are going to learn Tally accounting software. We are going to see the features of Tally, how to do the configuration in Tally, how to create a company in Tally, how to create user-defined groups and built-in groups in Tally. We are going to see the ledgers, accounting vouchers, non-accounting vouchers in this module. Whereas inventory vouchers, we are going to study it in the next module. We are going to learn the practical part of creating a company, groups, ledgers, how to record a transaction in accounting voucher and non-accounting voucher in Tally. Now let's see what is accounting software. Accounting software is an application software which performs various accounting and bookkeeping tasks. It is mainly used to store company's financial data, which is used to perform business transactions. Accounting software is just only the system which will carry out only the mechanical operations in the accounting process. It does not have any accounting knowledge. For that sake, accountant's knowledge, skills, judgment is required to analyze the data or accounting data or the input for the entry into the accounting software or into the computer system correctly, so that we can receive the correct results, or else we can achieve the accurate output. Accounting for software is designed on two main things. One is credit, the other one is debit. On the credit side, we can see we have income and liability. On debit side, we can see expenditure and asset. In the same way, we can just see here, income is again backlinked with asset and expenditure is backlinked onto the liability. Based on this particular structure, the accounting software has been designed. Now let's see the flow of accounting in accounting software. First comes out with understanding the transaction, analyzing the transaction. Later we have to go for recording the transaction in the respective voucher. That can be accounting voucher or non-accounting voucher, or even it can be inventory voucher also. Later comes out with posting, right? Till here we do it in the accounting software. Remaining things will be generated automatically in the software itself. Then comes out with balancing, trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet. All these things will be generated automatically by the software. That is nothing but till posting we do it. Remaining things will be generated automatically by the accounting software. Next comes out with structure of accounting in accounting software. Ledger accounts, then credit, debit. Credit side we have liability and income. Debit side we have expenditure and asset. Income expenditure will be carried to profit and loss account. From there it will be carried to balance sheet. That is liability, asset, profit and loss account is carried to the balance sheet. From this we will come to know how the different groups are linked. Here comes out with ledger grouping. Under ledger grouping there comes out with revenue items and non-revenue items. Under this two, revenue and non-revenue items, there comes out with four groups, that is income groups, expenditure groups, liability groups and asset group. This we are going to study in the video that is regarding about the groups. We are going to study all the 28 items over there. Okay, the same way already we have seen what is income in case of module 1. We have to see other things, expenditure, liability, asset. That we are going to see it in that particular video, that is groups. Thank you. Have a nice day.